It's that time of year again. Tax season is upon us, and April 18th is right around the corner. With tax time in full swing, here are 5 tips from RMS Accounting to help you get the most out of your tax appointment. Tip number 1. Gather your records and documents. The best way to do this is take one central location and make that the place where you're going to keep all of your documents. Whether that's a folder on your desktop or a folder on your computer, make sure that you store all of your 1099s, 1095 forms you get from health insurance companies, W-2s, proof of charitable contributions, health insurance documents, or any other important tax documents you may receive throughout the year. Tip number 2. Make sure to bring proof of identity to your appointment. New rules for tax preparers require your tax preparer to check your identity using government-issued ID. This means you need to bring either a passport or a state government-issued ID to your tax appointment, as well as a copy of your Social Security card so that your tax preparer can make sure to verify your identity. This is supposed to help cut down on fraud that the IRS is experiencing. Tip number 3. New clients should make sure to bring their previous 3 years of tax returns into their tax professional. Make sure you have your previous 3 years of tax returns when you come in to see your tax professional if you're a new client, so that your tax professional can determine whether you qualify for any credits or deductions that may have been carried over from previous years. If you are already an existing client, you probably don't need to bring in your prior 3 years of tax returns, as we'll already have them on file. Tip number 4. Make sure to inform your tax professional of any big life events that have happened in the past year. Big changes can mean big changes in your tax situation as well, so make sure your tax professional knows about any marriages, deaths, disabilities, adoptions, discharged debt you may have had, or any other significant life event, as this may have changed your tax situation since the past year. And finally, tip number 5. Don't wait until the last minute. Make sure to set up an appointment with your tax professional early, as it can be more difficult to schedule an appointment as tax season reaches its end. Make sure to know when your filing deadlines are and schedule an appointment with that in mind. Individual returns must be postmarked this year by April 18th, 2017 in order to be considered timely filed. With that in mind, it's a good idea not to wait till the last minute and schedule your appointment as soon as possible.
That was 5 tips from all of us here at RMS Accounting to help you get the most out of your tax appointment. Here at RMS Accounting, we believe in personal service, and when you call us between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, you will always get a real, live person to talk to, not a voicemail or an answering machine. It's important to us that your call gets immediate attention. Call us today for a free tax consultation at 1-800-382-1040.